Hi there, here's a short video on how you can use our automated KYC process within Nomisma CRM. So in order to enable this, you'll need to go to Accountant Setup within your CRM instance, and then go to KYC, just here. Once you're in KYC, you can enable this by selecting yes on do you want to enable automated KYC. And then the second question is, how often would you like to perform a KYC? So this would decipher how often the process would be triggered, and you can decide exactly how many days that should be. And then you've got who to and when should the first email be sent. So you can decide who it should be sent to, whether it should be the account manager, the direct contact, or both. And you can also decide how many days before or after it should be sent, the KYC. So that's before or after the KYC renewal date. And then you've also got your view and edit here, so you can view and edit the email template that will be sent. So this is the email template here. And then the second section is who to and when should the reminder be sent. So the reminder should be sent to the account manager, the contact, or both, and it is exactly the same as the one above. And again, you can view or edit the email. Now I'm just going to go back and view that email, because it's really important in here. Essentially, what it says is your contact, the company name, is due to have their KYC check renewed as it's now however many days old. This is an automated reminder. If a check isn't performed within the next number of days, a check will be automatically submitted and return a pass or fail result. Okay. So if it's sent to the contact, that email will actually change. Okay, so every however many days, so 365 days, we as a firm of accountants are required to ensure we know who we're working with by performing a Know Your Customer check, also known as KYC. Your KYC check is due for renewal. Please can you click on the link below and follow the instructions. You'll need a copy of your passport or driving license to hand. The whole process should only take roughly 5 minutes. Here are the login credentials you'll need to access the portal. And then they give you your username, your password, and the URL. So then your contact can log into the portal, and they'll be presented with a screen to review their information, and they'll be able to update their information if it is out of date, for example, their address, and they'll also be given the option to upload proof of ID, so their passport or driving license. Okay, so going back, so you can decide who the email should be sent to. Each email will be different if it's the contact, if it's the account manager, or if you send both. And then at the end here, you've got the option of should a KYC be submitted automatically in case of no response. So if the contact simply does not update their details, should a submission be made anyway containing the details that you have on record? So you can say yes or no. If the contact updates their details, once they get updated, the submission will be done and you'll get a pass or fail. And you'll be notified as well. Okay, so yeah, you can save that, and then the automated KYC will be enabled based on your configuration. If you do have any other questions or any queries about this, please do get in touch with us. We're more than happy to help you. You can contact us on support@nomisma.co.uk, or you can call us on 020 3021 2326. Thank you very much. Bye.